Crush niya ako, sinagot ko lang.
Supposed to spend all this time. Now we're open our arms and start receiving. Let's stop and smell the think we're on to something. Think it's safe to say good feelings are here to stay. We're living our best days. Let's keep it moving. Won't hesitate. Good feelings are here to stay. Yeah, we're living our best days. Best days, best days. Best days, best days. Best days, best days. Yeah, we're living our best days.
Happy, na-pressured, pero super happy kasi this is it. Ito na yung pinakahihintay namin na araw.
Masaya na, syempre, kinakabahan.
Ikaw ay isang mabuting ina.
Komang.
Tahimik lang.
Na mapagmahal talaga siya at ibibigay niya lahat para sa amin, sa aming mag-ina niya.
Dahil sama ng sama, ayun, magsasama na rin.
Siyempre, mamahalin ko siya ng masigit pa sa binibigay niya sa amin ng mag-ina niya.
These are the moments, the ones we were dreaming of.
Thank you. Kasi sobrang na-appreciate ko. Wala ako nito!
Siyempre!
I love you na!
Thank you. Wala, gusto mo yan eh. Andito ka na.
It all somehow, looking everywhere but here and now, holding every moment well, keep them alive in the stories we'll tell.
Sobrang thankful kami sa'yo kasi alam namin na sobrang dami mo ng stress at pinaghirapan sa amin ng mag-ina mo. Alam ko na gagawin mo lahat para sa amin ni baby.
Sobrang grateful ako sa kanya, syempre, kasi tanggap niya ako. Di naman kami hantong sa ganitong hindi, di ba?
Every new chapter, something to learn. Oh, and these are the moments, time lost in reverie, never captured by image, held safe in memory. Oh, I don't wanna miss it all somehow. Looking everywhere but here and now. Holding every moment well. We'll keep them alive in the stories we'll tell.
Marriage is a gift. Akala nyo magkaibigan lang kayo, pero ang Diyos pala, sa pamamagitan ng pagiging magkaibigan ninyo, kayo na pala yung inihahanda niya, kayo na pala yung inireregalo niya sa isa't isa.
A flicker, light finds a way. I don't wanna miss it all somehow. Looking everywhere but here and now. Holding every moment well. Keep them alive. Holding every moment well. Keep them alive in the story.
Kaya ninyo dahil magkasama kayo, magkatuwang kayo, magkakampi kayo, magkatulong kayo. Pero higit sa lahat, kakayanin ninyo dahil kasama nyo ang Diyos.
Maging saya kaming family, maging
Happy ending. Yun naman tayo. Yun. Doon na yun.
With every sunrise that we get, we'll take our time and take it in. Through the in-between.
I know naman na kahit anumang problema ibigay sa amin is kakayanin talaga namin.
We won't be moved.
Papalakihin namin ng mabuti yung anak namin, ng may respeto. At alam niyang mahal na mahal namin siya.
Lahat. Thank you, ma'am.
Lahat wala ka pa sila.
Like a flower fully bloomed, right when it was destined to. Finally, the time has come for us. Every second meaning, this is where it all begins. Standing in the spirit of the sun, like a flower fully blooms, right when it was destined to. Finally, the time has come for us.
Sa husband, willing akong ibigay
For
lahat para sa kanya, syempre. Tsaka lalong-lalo na dun sa anak namin at tsaka sa magiging anak namin. Lahat ng sacrifices, syempre, iindahin para sa kanila.